Good morning everyone. My name is Bhumika. I am studying in 9th A class. This is science experiment. Experiment name Newton's first law of motion. What is Newton's first law of motion? Newton's first law of motion states that an object will remain at rest or continue to move in a straight line at a constant speed unless acted upon by an external force. This is known as law of inertia. This is a glass. This is a paper. This is a coin. Coin stick to maintain its inertia of rest. Eventually,